And I have lost my toilet paper. I have lost my toilet paper. I love the Sofitel. We love things I love about the Sofitel. This is quality paper. Yep. So after your facelift, you look like that.
I think the most egregious thing about our stay so far, our best thing, is the guest services guy that didn't know where the spa was. We asked the guy where the spa was, and he was happy to send us to the bathroom, but couldn't really answer the spa question.
He's used to the toilet paper. He confused beauty treatment with toilet paper. It really is toilet paper. No, but it's nice.
It is nice. All nice lotions. Everything smells good.
We had a little rain shower.
Yeah, it was
nice.
kind of a sensory experience.
It's now been
Where are the girls?
about 15 minutes, so we reckon it doesn't film that way.
Well, is it filming? Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, but it goes sideways.
Yeah, well, I'm being artistic. Hey, who's directing?
Okay. It's now been about 15 minutes, and we haven't seen the girls. We're wondering if we should have ordered coffee.
I think that's what they're doing. They're up at the buffet.
They're up at the buffet. They're up at the buffet, so we'll just hang here and relax.
We'll check back if something changes. Hopefully we're not here for the next 45 minutes.
I think it's going to stay. Just